Hello, dear students. Welcome back to e-classes of P.N.AMERSEY High School Standard 12 Commerce subject Statistics. Today, we will continue with the same topic, binomial probability distribution. Let us do question number 3 of exercise 2.2. A person has kept 4 cars to run on rent. The probability that any car is rented during the day is 0.6. Find the probability that more than one but less than 4 cars are rented during a day. Since there are 4 cars, n will be 4. Now we can denote x as what? Cars to run on rent. Here it is asked more than one but less than 4 cars are rented. More than 1 means 2 and less than 4 is 3. So value of x will be 2 and 3. Now what is P? Probability that any car is run on rent. That is given as 0.6. So P will be 0.6. The formula for Q is 1 minus P, that is 1 minus 0.6. 1 minus 0.6 is 0.4. Let us substitute the values in the formula Px equal to Ncx, P to the power x, Q to the power n minus x. Here n is 4, P is 0.6 and Q is 0.4. So let us first find P2. P2 will be 4C2, 0.6 to the power 2 and point into 0.4 to the power 4 minus 2. 4C2 is 6, 0.6 to the power 2 is 0.36 and 0.4 square will be 0.16. So 6 into 0.36 into 0.16 is 0.3456. Now let us find P3. P3 is 4C3, 0.6 to the power 3 into 0.4 to the power 4 minus 3. 4C3 is 4, 0.6 to the power 3 is 0.216 and 0.4 to the power 1 is 0.4. So when we multiply 4 into 0.216 into 0.4, that is 0.3456. So P2 plus P3 will be 0.3456 plus 0.3456. So the answer will be 0.6912. Let's solve question number 4 of exercise 2.2. There are 200 farms in a taluka. Among the bore wells that are made in these 200 farms of the taluka, salted water is found in 20 farms. Find the probability of the event of not getting salted water in 3 out of 5 randomly selected from the taluka. So let us denote X. What is X? Number of farms not getting salted water. Now in 200 farms, 20 farms are there which are salted. So 200 minus 20 will give us 180 farms. And what is 180 farms? They do not have salted water. Now let us define P. P is probability that we do not get salted water. So do not get salted water means total are 200 farms, 180 farms are without salt water. So 180 upon 200 will give us 9 by 10. So P of that is probability of not getting salted water is 9 by 10. Let us find Q. Q is 1 minus P. So that is 1 minus 9 by 10. That is 1 by 10. N is 5. X is 3 because we have to get 3 farms. So let us find P3. P3 is 5C3. 9 by 10 to the power 3. 1 by 10 to the power 5 minus 3. 5C3 is 10. 9 raised to 3 is 729. 10 raised to 3 is 1000. And we will have 1 by 10 to the power 5 minus 3, that is 2. So 10 into 729 by 1000 into 1 by 100 will give us 0.0729. Let's solve question number 6 of exercise 2. For a binomial distribution, if probability of success is double the probability of failure and n is equal to 4, find the variance of the distribution. Here n is 4. Probability of success we can denote by P. Probability of failure we can denote by Q. Now what is given? Probability of success is double the probability of failure. So we will have P is equal to 2Q. Now what we have? P plus Q is 1. Let us substitute P is equal to 2Q in this equation. So we will have 2Q plus Q, that is 1. 2Q plus Q is 3Q. So 3Q is 1. So what we will be getting? Q is equal to 1 by 3. Now we have P is equal to 1 minus Q. So P will be 1 minus 1 by 3, that is 2 by 3. Now the formula for variance is equal to NPQ. N is 4, P is 2 by 3, Q is 1 by 3. So when we solve this, 4 2s will be 8, 3 3s will be 9. So what is variance? 8 by 9. Now let's solve question number 7. Find the standard deviation of the binomial distribution having n is equal to 8 and probability of failure 2 by 3. Here we are having n is equal to 8, Q is equal to, we are having 2 by 3 because probability of failure is 2 by 3. Now let's find P. What is P? 1 minus Q. So we will have 1 minus 2 by 3, that will be 1 by 3. Now what is the formula for standard deviation? Under root of NPQ. Let us substitute the values. N is 8, P is 1 by 3 and Q is 2 by 3. So we will have 8 into 1 into 2, that is 16. 3 3s will be 9. So we will have root of 16 by 9. Root of 16 is 4, root of 9 is 3. So standard deviation of binomial probability distribution is 4 by 3. Now let's solve question number 9. For a binomial distribution with n is equal to 10 and q minus p is equal to 0.6, find mean of this distribution. Here n is equal to 10, q minus p is 0.6. So from this equation, what we will get? Q is equal to 0.6 plus P. Now what is the equation? P plus Q is 1. So substitute Q is equal to 0.6 plus P in this equation. So we will have P plus 0.6 plus P and that is 1. So P plus P is 2P plus 0.6, that is equal to 1. Take 0.6 on the right hand side. So we will have 2p is equal to 1 minus 0.6. Now 1 minus 0.6 is 0.4. So p will be 0.4 by 2, that is 4 by 20. Now what is 4 by 20? That is 1 by 5. So value of p is 1.5. N is 10. So what is mean? Mean is equal to NP, that is 10 into 1 by 5, that is 2. So mean of binomial distribution is 2. I hope you must have understood the sums on binomial distribution. Go through this topic because this is a very important topic for the board point of view. Go through this, revise them. In the next session, we are going to start with the next chapter. Thank you.